Paige's hair tutorial. How to do your hair at breakfast. This is filmed on location in Budapest, Hungary. One side of my hair, and now I'm going to show you how to do the other one.
Okay.
So I want to start with being a really tippy top, because that's like how you get this part. So you want to start with a little bit. You don't want to start with a lot, because then it'll just turn into a braid. So you want to just slowly tighten it and get more hair at the same time. Tighten it. The other string gets more hair. Tighten it. Now, this one gets more hair. Now, this is your first time doing it, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Now, you're going to get a little more than last time. You're not going to stay small, you're going to go big. It's going to take you some time to get used to it, but once you have aced some of it, you're going to be perfect at it. All that hair so you don't miss any out. And there you have it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it into a pinky ring. So simply just Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Bye!